These turkey wings right here might be my new favorite thing to make. They were fresh out of the oven, so juicy and packed with flavor. They were even fall off the bone tender, and I'm going to show you how I made them. Let's go ahead and get into it. But first, hit that subscribe button and join the family. So here I have 4 turkey wings that I've already sliced apart. I'm about to wash them really good and give them a really nice clean before we add the flavor. I have this lime here that I'm going to cut in half. I'll be squeezing some of the juice out of it, mixed with my water for cleaning. And the lime here is to break down some of that raw smell and get them nice and fresh. Not only are we going to deep clean our turkey wings, but we are also going to do some scraping and some plucking. I do see some yellow layer of skin that's on our turkey wings. To take care of that, I always go in with my knife and scrape it off because we don't want these turkey wings to not be as clean as we can get them. And I'll just be repeating this step with each of the turkey wings. This little fella here still had some pretty big feathers left on its skin. I just took my knife and I gently removed those away from the skin. You can use a pair of kitchen tweezers or just pull them out with your fingers. If it's a lot of them, you can lightly run the wings over an open flame on your stove just to single off any small hairs and rinse them off once you're done. Now, once I've already gotten them nice and clean, I am just going to rinse them off one more time under cold water just to make sure that it's as clean as I would like them to be. I always make sure that the water is clear as well, and it lets me know that it's clean pretty good. I'm going to place my wings into a baking dish and let's go ahead and get ready to season them up. Today I'm going to keep it simple but flavorful with all of my spices. I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of Kinder's all-purpose seasoning. I love it because it's got that perfect balance of herbs and spices, and it's really going to bring out these turkey wings. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning for spicy flavor. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You know, a little bit of garlic powder goes a long way for boosting flavor. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Ooh, this is coming together nicely. 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Now that I've added all of my seasonings, it's time to incorporate all the flavors into the wings. I'm going to toss and rub them so that every piece is evenly coated and making sure that nothing gets left behind. As I mix, I'm making sure to get into the nooks and the crannies, especially around the joints and tips, because that's where the flavor can hide. One little tip I love to share is that if you let the wings sit for a few minutes after mixing, the flavors really start to penetrate into the meat. But honestly, even right now, just seeing them coated like this makes me so anxious to get them into the oven. Oh, they're gonna be so delicious. Sometimes I'll sprinkle a touch more here or a touch more there if I see a spot that's a little bare. You know, it's all about balance, and you want the flavors bold but not overpowering. This is the marinade that I'll be using for this recipe. It's the butter and jalapeno flavor. It's really good and it comes in handy when you don't have time to let your turkey wings marinate overnight. Really simple process. You'll first need to just baste your injector into some oil before inserting it into your turkey wings. Obviously, you'll need to slide the needle in gently, mostly into the thick part of the turkey wing. Go in about halfway, not all the way through. Press the plunger down slow and steady and you will see the meat plump up. Y'all, these are going to be so tender and juicy. Just wait till they come out of the oven. Moving along to our vegetables, we've got us some green and red bell peppers. Look at those colors, just bright and fresh. And of course, we're going to come in with some onions, which is going to give us that sweet and savory flavor that we need. Chop them up nice and even. Don't worry about them being perfect because we're going for the flavor and the texture. Now I'm gonna come in with some chicken broth and I'm gonna make sure that I add this into the open spaces of the pan. I do not want to disturb the seasonings that are sitting beautifully onto our turkey wings. I am a carrot fanatic and I decided to add some to this recipe. It will give it a little bit of extra sweetness and some color to balance everything out, and it's gonna pair beautifully with the other vegetables that we have. Alright, now it's time to let these wings do their thing. We're going to place them in the oven at 425 degrees for about an hour. This is high heat and it will give the wings a beautiful golden brown color on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. While the turkey wings are cooking, we're going to go ahead and start on our gravy. We're going to start off with 1 can of cream of mushroom. I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken. I'm going to sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also going to go in with 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning by Weber's, a teaspoon of Parsley Flakes for some color. And I'm also going to go in with 1 packet of onion mushroom soup mix by Lipton. I'll also be adding some chicken broth into my gravy. I'm going to add as I go because I want to get that consistency that I like. I'm going to make sure that it's not too thick or it's not too thin. This is perfect, nice and creamy, exactly what I was looking for. So I did let my wings go uncovered for about 15 minutes before actually putting the gravy on top, and just look at that skin, guys. Look at that crispiness. Oh my goodness, these are going to be so good. But now we're going to add our gravy. We're going to slowly pour it on top of our turkey wings. Oh, you all have to try this recipe. With the wings, the vegetables, and the gravy coming all together, these flavors are going to harmonize so beautifully. Because my turkey wings already have that beautiful brown crust, we're going to cover them and place them back into the oven on 425 for another hour or until tender. Oh my goodness, you guys have got to try this recipe. These turkey wings came out so juicy, so tender, super soft, super flavorful, and I paired it along with some white fluffy rice and some sweet honey cornbread. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can stay updated on the latest videos.